Hey everybody, it's Neil, and I'm starting to do like a more crafting and stuff. And so I got myself these little charms. I'm gonna show you guys these. I'm gonna try to laser them and see how they'll work. But I'll show you guys the charms, so I'm not gonna guarantee anything will work on it. But so it comes with the charms and it comes with the little crystals. So I'm just gonna take one of each of these out and show you how they go together. And then I'll show you what it does. Actually, it'll be interesting. I'll try to put like a little picture or something behind one too, and do some different things. Let me see. I'll even try that here in a minute. But this is what the little charm looks like here, and then it's got the hole on the back and there where the little charm will fit, so you can kind of glue it in there. So let me go and actually try to put something behind this, and then I'll be right back. So I couldn't find anything here in the house, and then I couldn't find any scissors, but I'm just going to show you guys what I did here. Look, see, I just put a little sticker from just a part of a tag in there. And you see how nice and shiny it is, so you can put something behind it and it'll look nice and pretty. And then I'm gonna laser a little engraving on the back. So how cool will that be? And that was just really just from this little tag here that said customer support or something like that. So that's kind of it. Oh, this is what it looks like without the little bead in it. It's just a little piece of paper, you see. And then I'm gonna put that in there. It makes it actually look nice. It even looks nice with just a stupid little piece of paper that I've ripped up and put in there. So this is a nice little, cute little charm, and it's got the little hook on there to hook up to stuff. So I'm gonna say this is really nice. So thumbs up for me on this. Links in the description. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some more reviews soon.